Hello my dear viewers and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday. We are here close to Dublin in the Wicklow Mountains. This bed and breakfast hotel is surrounded by forest and it's a beautiful morning. I got up early because today we have a lot of things to do. First of all, we will have a good breakfast and then we will go to an old I think it's called a monastery. It's here in the Wicklow Mountains, and there we can see an old building. I will film it and show it to you. After that we drive to Dublin. I have to bring back the car. I will clean the car a little bit inside. There's a lot of sand inside. And yeah, then we will go to the hotel. And one moment, there's a car coming. Yeah, then we go to the hotel close to the airport because we will fly very early to Madrid, so we have to get up in the next night. In the middle of the night we have to get up, then we go to the airport. So that will be very tough for us, and especially for my daughters, but I think we will do it. Then we will arrive in Madrid and there we have another day, and yeah, then back to La Palma. So to go back to La Palma is another big thing. So but we will do it, I'm sure. Okay, so I will show you a little bit the nature here, and then we will see us again. They have a little park here close to the bed and breakfast. It's quite nice. Now I'm here at the monastery and there is a wild deer here on the parking place close to the buildings. They are not shy. Let's see how close I can get. They're not shy. Absolutely not shy. All right, my dear viewers, that were my last minutes here in the nature of Ireland. I'm really sad. So beautiful over here. Wicklow Mountains. Wow. Now we're driving back into the city, and then yeah, that was the Ireland. That was the Ireland trip. Beautiful. I never was in a hurry when I was in the middle of nature, but today I am, because I want to be here every minute. So yeah, but now there are about 2.5 hours left, and okay, have to come back here. Now I'm back in the hotel and we managed everything. So they were very friendly here. They gave us the key to the room nearly 3 hours earlier. So we could bring our luggage into the room and the kids could stay here in the room. I brought back the car. Everything was fine with the car. I will get back my bail. And yeah, the transport system over here works well too. There are 3 buses here, so from the car rental to the airport, and then from the airport to the hotel over here. Yes, that's very nice. So now I will get some food, and then we will just relax in the hotel room, because we have to get up very early, maybe at 3 o'clock this night. And yeah, the airport is just here. I can see the planes landing and starting. Okay, now I will edit some videos, and yeah, that's it for today. I will edit some videos, and yeah, then we will see us tomorrow when we fly to Madrid. Okay, I say thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. See ya. Goodbye.